TSK-100 Ultrasonic Borehole Monitor Operation. Part 1. Equipment Introduction. The full set of this instrument contains electric winch, probe with ultrasonic sensor, mobile battery box, wireless tablet, and other related parts. Part 2. Applications. This instrument can be used for inspection of diameter, verticality, depth, sediment, thickness of borehole and diaphragm wall. Part 3. Preparation for process. Connect battery box and winch. Please match the location mark. Before turn on the instrument, please make sure they are connected well. When connection completed, move the instrument on top of borehole. Make sure the probe is in the middle of borehole. Turn the key on battery box to turn on the instrument. Power display at the left of key. The up 1 is power of the motor. Full power is 54. Charge if less than 48. The bottom 1 is power of the probe. Full power is 70. Charge if less than 60. Part 4. Operation. Turn on the tablet and connect the Wi-Fi with the name start with Tensense. After Wi-Fi connected, launch the app on desk. Here is the time setting. Here we can see the power of probe and software version. Here we can see the connection status. At the bottom, there are 5 menus. 1. Language switch. Restart required. 2. Sediment thickness measure. 3. Borehole or diaphragm wall measure. 4. File management. 5. Software upgrade. Sediment thickness testing. Data display area. Displaying testing depth, sensor pressure curve, sensor angle curve. Basic information area. Project name. We can input current project name or any name can be used to recognize this test. Hole number. Input the number to recognize the borehole we are testing. File name. The file name of report. It will be generated automatically based on the engineering name and hole number. Also, we can input manually. Calibrated speed. It's the parameter of sensor extending speed. Recommend not to change. Probe length. The length of sensor built in probe means the max detection thickness of sediment. Standard is 235 mm. Can be customized if required. Sediment thickness. Tested result of the sediment thickness. Operation menu. Ready. Probe is ready. Sensor can start to work by click test. Standby. Probe is standby. Test. Sensor start to work when probe is in ready status. Stop test. Sensor will stop to work and be retracted. Open file. Loading report tested before. Back to home page or close this software. Borehole and diaphragm wall. Testing. Parameters setting. Test interval. Acoustic emission frequency. Encoder. The coefficient for converting angular velocity to linear velocity. Default 1.6 to 9. Probe size. Size of the probe equipped in the instrument. Gap. Distance between probe and each side of the borehole. Speed. Acoustic speed in air. It will work when we test dry hole. Mud speed. Acoustic speed in mud. It will work when we test mud hole. Hole diameter. We can choose mud hole, dry hole or mixed hole, and diameter, according to the borehole tested. If diameter between 1 meter and 2 meters, then choose 2 meters, and so on. Test direction. It can test from top to bottom. In future version, it will be able to test from bottom to top. Project name. We can input the name of current project. Hole number. We can input the number of testing borehole. Design depth. The designed depth of testing borehole. Drilling depth. The drilling depth of the borehole may need to refer to the driller. Design diameter. The designed diameter of testing borehole. X direction. Choose the direction according to the symbol on probe. we have 8 options here. Record profiles. Choose the profiles that need to output test data. Print date or not means do we need to print current date on the report. Saved file name. The file name will save in tablet. It will be generated automatically. No need any option. After all parameters set it, click confirm to go to next step. Here is the menu bar. Settings, click it, will back to the parameter setting page. Start test, click it, the testing process will start. View files, click it, will loading saved report files in tablet. Time varying gain control, click it, we can adjust the gain parameters. Function is same as the right toolbar. Motor speed adjust. To adjust the descending and lifting speed of probe, minimum is 0, maximum is 10. Control probe lifting and descending. Switch to grayscale display. Switch display profile. Return to previous page. Here we can see the probe depth and moving speed. Adjust the gain parameters. Function is same as the top toolbar. Display settings. Grayscale display setting. Auto threshold will set the upper threshold and lower threshold automatically. Color display. The data will be displayed in a colorful image. Upper threshold, to highlight the stronger signal, the higher value, the more difference between strong and weak signal will be displayed. Lower threshold, to remove the interfering signal, the higher value, the less interfering signal, but may lead to loss of active signal. Waveform display. The tested data will be displayed in waveform. We can set the gain parameter and waveform's numbers. Switch display mode. To switch waveform diagram mode and grayscale image mode, enter and cancel. To enable or disable the parameters set it. Verticality determine. To calculate the borehole verticality. File management. Recommend to do on analyzer software. Upgrade. Load the upgrade sources file supplied by Tensense to upgrade software to the latest version.